Alright, this is my young kit number 1. Today is a bad day. It's pretty cold out. 47 degrees. And then today we got hit by the Falcon. Falcon showed up pretty early. I kicked out the kit at 8:47. The Falcon showed up at 9:03, and then the Cooper showed up too. Oh man, what a terrible combination. Anyways, the Falcon drove these guys down. These guys came low, and then when they came below the tree lines, that's when the Cooper started hitting them. Yeah, and then it got so quiet. Usually when it's just the Coopers, the squirrels usually chirp, and then the blue jays make their sound. But this morning when the Falcon and the Cooper showed up, everything was quiet. Everything went silent, and then these birds just got demolished. I am missing one bird. I watched them get taken. Bird number 400. That was my 984's son. And then one of my Irish cross Rick Meehan is missing too. But there's nothing you can do, you know. The Falcon is too much. And then the Cooper hit him low too, so time to lock these guys away for a bit, because like I said, these guys are rolling, but they're not really where I want to lock them away forever, because they're not part of my main team. Like, some of these guys are too deep, they're not frequent enough, so yeah, we'll see.